ISSA Show North America is coming up fast, November 13th through 16th at the Mandalay Bay Convention Center in Las Vegas. Someone who knows just about everything related to the show is Iris Weinstein, the ISSA Director of Strategic Partnerships and Trade Show Sales. Iris, welcome to the program.
Thank you so much, Jeff, for having me. I look forward to our conversation today.
It's my pleasure. I'm looking forward to going to the show. I know you are, but let me ask you this really tough question. Are you ready?
I am.
How long have you been involved with ISSA Show North America, and how many shows have you been to?
Oh, Jeff, thank you so much for asking me that question. I have had the honor of attending 16 previous ISSA shows, and this will be my 17th. So I am really excited to be back in Las Vegas in our new venue at Mandalay Bay Convention Center.
Fantastic. Good memory. That's a lot of shows. You've seen a lot over the years.
I have,
Okay,
absolutely. Many locations.
that's right. I've been to a lot of them. I don't know if I've been to that many, but I'm working on it. But here's the thing, Iris, by being at so
Yep.
many shows and being involved as you are an expert at all things involved in the trade show floor, exhibitors, but you're also a champion of special events, activities at the show. Could you give us a rundown of what is coming up at this show that you're excited about?
Absolutely, Jeff. We have a robust schedule of all kinds of education and networking events taking place. Starting on Monday, November 13th, we have a full schedule starting in the early morning hours till 5:30. In the afternoon, we have two really exciting programs. We have our residential roundtables where we have our ISSA residential community come together and really talk about, what is going on in the industry and get some experts, individuals moderating some tough topics. And then for the all access pass attendees, we also have the cocktails and conversations event taking place as well at 4 o'clock. And this is a great opportunity to really network with all of the peers that our attendees have met with throughout the day. There are a lot of great education sessions and some networking. And this is the very end of the day where everyone comes together. The theme for this Cocktails and Conversations is the future of the cleaning industry. So we are going to be talking about, where do we see, what do we see happening as far as, what are the biggest challenges that we're going to be facing in the next 100 years? So, and of course, some food and drinks and a way for attendees to connect with some of our exhibitors. And that's just Monday. We have on the opening day of the trade show, we have our spotlight speaker session in the morning. And the theme of this spotlight session is going to be really focusing on ISSA's celebration of 100 years of being the association of associations for the cleaning industry. And we have a really exciting panel of young professionals who are going to talk about, what's in store for the future of our industry, along with some awards. We also have a lot of education taking place on the show floor, including all of our innovation demonstrations. And then in the evening, we have our highlight event of the week, which is our celebration of ISSA's 100th anniversary at the Big Bash at Hakkasan Nightclub. This event is sponsored by Spartan Chemical, and the entertainment is going to be Seventh Heaven Rock Band, which is sponsored by Ascendant. It's going to be a great night for everyone, the whole industry getting together. This is going to be one of the biggest events we've ever had in the history of the trade show. So We're really looking forward to this event. And now on Wednesday, we have some more exciting education and events taking place. In the morning, we have Doc Henley, who is the founder of From Wine to Water, which is a non-for-profit organization really geared towards creating safe water for countries in need. And so we're going to hear his inspirational story. We have a full day of education taking place on the show floor. And then in the evening, we have our Hygia event, which is our Women in the Cleaning Industry event. Well, there'll be awards handed out, and it's a really great networking opportunity. And then the last day of the trade show, we will have the Innovation of the Year Award, as well as the Environment and Sustainability Award being presented on the show floor, along the, in addition to all of the education that's taking place during that day. I only touched on, some of the highlights. However, networking really takes place all throughout the week. I do want to let everyone know that we do have some new events, education, and meetups taking place, and I wanted to highlight a few of those. We have the Clean Meat Zone on the show floor, and this is really a casual meetup area for we've designed it for specific types of attendees to network and meet each other. All of the meetups are going to be on our ISSA show planner. So take a look at what the options are, and hopefully you'll be able to, meet with some peers or some, colleagues you haven't seen in the industry in a while. We also have the Sustainability Hub, which this is our second year of the theater, the Sustainability Hub and theater. We will have a ton of education related to sustainability and ESG. Several of them are curated by our ISSA Sustainability Council. There'll be some awards given out to the Saber Choice group. And please know that the sponsor of the Sustainability Hub is Sophie Dow Group. So we're really excited to offer these, hot topics on the show floor. And don't forget, we have the show floor happy hour taking place on Wednesday at 3:00 from 3 to 5 p.m. There's a lot of great things that are taking place during this time. A lot of exhibitors will be hosting happy hours in their booth. Attendees can bring their complimentary drink ticket to the ISSA Sports Bar, sponsored by Spartan Chemical. You're going to be able to see who wins the ISSA Show Innovation Award for Industry Choice, taking place at 4:00. We also have in the Sustainability Hub, we will have some awards taking place. In the Clean Meat Lounge, we're going to have some meetups with the ISSA residential community. And we have, of course, some education taking place in our 3 theaters on the show floor. So there's a lot of great things happening during this first ever show floor happy hour. So we're really looking forward to getting people, seeing people there.
Iris, how do you know all this stuff?
Oh my gosh. This is what I live. I live and breathe this every single day. Every detail. I am literally making sure that all the T's are crossed and the I's are dotted, and that our attendees have the best possible experience at the show, without a doubt. So
That's fantastic. They appreciate it. And you might be the go-to person. Where is this event? When is it? And how do I get there? We'll find out at the show.